Today we have a Galaxy S4. The owner of the phone is complaining that the phone is lagging. Usually when these phones lag is that there's a bad battery on the phone. The owner told me that he already replaced the battery and the phone is still lagging. So what we're going to do today is check for viruses on the phone. I usually install two antiviruses on the phone, two softwares, Kaspersky and Avast or Malwarebytes. These two antiviruses are free on the Play Store. Well, after checking if the phone had any viruses, there were no viruses found. So I decided to check the battery that the customer bought from somewhere else, and the battery is bloated. Like I said before at the start of the video, usually when these Samsung phones get slow or lagging is that there is something wrong with the battery. So fortunately I have a new battery for the phone. And now that the new battery is installed, there's no more lagging on the phone. There's no more lagging at all on the phone. So that's good news. Thank you for watching. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.